We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
From the story Under the Octagon Tower, 八角塔下 by 钟兆镇, we can easily tell that the author is a good storyteller, not only in structure, but also in the presentation of details, thus being able to turn an otherwise boring high school life into something with depth, and making that time of life seem so accessible to readers. The story has several themes: love, classmates, family, and social background. The author uses the school as a backdrop and describes things about the heart and the growth of the physical body. It was written in two parts, the first being about the love between the main character and a local girl. The second part was about the main character's love for a Japanese girl. Both relationships ended in misery. All in all, this is a rather rarely seen look at the pure love of young people.
Welcome to our Hakka lesson of the day. I'm Joseph Lin.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
勇敢撒，勇敢撒，勇敢撒！
什么东西勇敢撒？你又怎么了？
我跟你讲，我学会这句话之后，常常用。怎么办？怎么办？怎么办？
怎么办？
What should I do? What should I do? 勇敢撒。没有啦，因为真的是事情好多，都要加班。要加班。所以呢，我觉得台湾人啊，这个很多人都会加班，甚至是最近有一些报告说，这个加班是世界数一数二。所以我觉得应该要教大家说
加班哦，
加班。对，我今天晚上还要加班，要怎么说这样子？
我今天又要加班了。I 根本日。
I 根本日 ，that means
我今天嘛
I is me and 根本日 is today. So today I
又要加班嘞。
又要加班呢。又要加班了，which means I need to do extra work. I need to do overtime again. Oh, okay. 所以勇敢撒，勇敢撒，怎么办呢？也没办法了。
加油咯，加油咯。
So let's review this one more time right here, because maybe you need to call back home to your husband or your wife and say, I have to work late again today. So today or tonight or today, I have to do overtime again, which is
I 根本日又要加班嘞。
I have to do overtime tonight again. All right. 懂烦啊。很烦啊。Well, that does it for our Hakka lesson of the day, because I have to go back to work now. Thank you for listening. I'm Joseph Lin.
什么大家？
俺只say 张伟了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制，邀您一起体验另一种不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Commission of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.